What if your everyday carry wasn't just a tool, but a statement of craftsmanship, power, and timeless utility? Meet the AX03, forged from 3 blocks of solid brass, designed to be the most versatile, compact, and beautifully overbuilt piece of gear you'll ever own. Weighing just 3 ounces and measuring only 3.3 inches long, the AX03 fits seamlessly into your pocket. But don't underestimate it. This little beast packs 12 hardcore functions into a frame you can carry anywhere. Lightweight, durable, always ready. Crafted from 3 precision-machined brass blocks, the AX03 is engineered for a lifetime of hard use. Brass isn't just about looks. It's a material known for its anti-corrosive properties, durability, and its ability to develop a unique patina that reflects your journey. Over time, your AX03 becomes more than a tool. It becomes a part of your story. Bottle opener flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, hex wrench, multiple sizes, box cutter pry tool, ruler, wire stripper, can opener key ring, hole scraper, SIM card ejector. Every tool is built with intention. From cracking open a cold drink after a long day, to adjusting your gear in the field, to opening that stubborn Amazon package, the AX03 is the utility blade you never realized you needed. It does more with less. We designed the AX03 for everyone. Whether you're biking through city streets, tightening bolts on your gear before a hike, camping under the stars, or opening a last-minute shipment at your desk, it adapts to your lifestyle. It's not just for adventurers. It's for everyday warriors who demand tools that work as hard as they do. This thing is tough. Drop it, scratch it, soak it. It keeps going. Because when you invest in quality, you deserve something that can take the hits and still shine. The AX03 was born from a desire to blend form and function. We obsessed over every curve, edge, and angle. No wasted space, no gimmicks, just pure, purposeful design with a premium finish that stands out in any EDC lineup. AX03, born from brass, built for life, ready for anything.